Simple weight loss workout plans for beginner to advanced exercisers. Are you trying to slim down, tighten, and tone your body? You'll lose weight more effectively if you create a weekly workout plan to lose weight. When you create a weight loss workout plan, there is no last-minute guesswork when it's time to exercise. And when workouts are planned in advance, it's more likely that you'll complete them and reach your goal weight. Don't forget subscribe and hit the bell. Plan for beginners. Monday 30 minutes, moderate intensity walk. Tuesday 20 minutes, simple home strength training workout. Wednesday 30 minutes, moderate intensity walk. Thursday 20 minutes, simple home strength training workout. Friday 30 minutes, moderate intensity walk. Saturday 20 minutes, online relaxation yoga. Sunday 30 minutes fun and easy cross-training day, bike ride, swim or online aerobics class. Total weekly exercise, 180 minutes. Plan for intermediate advanced exercisers. Monday 45 minutes, moderate intensity circuit workout with weights. Tuesday 20 minutes, HIIT workout at home or outdoors. Wednesday 30 minutes, easy recovery day stretch and walk. Thursday 45 minutes, moderate intensity circuit workout with weights. Friday 20 minutes, high intensity day walk, run intervals. Saturday 30 minutes, recovery day relaxation yoga. Sunday 75 minutes, moderate intensity jog, hike or walk. Total weekly exercise, 265 minutes.